Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Betterment Asset Classes. Betterment is a popular investment platform that offers a range of asset classes to help you build a diversified portfolio. In this guide, we will explore the different asset classes available on the Betterment platform and provide practical examples and best practices to help you make the most of your investments. Firstly, it is essential to understand the different types of asset classes available on Betterment. These include stocks, which represent ownership in companies, bonds, which represent debt securities, and alternatives such as real estate and commodities. Each asset class has its own unique characteristics and risk profile, and understanding these is crucial to building a well-diversified portfolio. Let's start with stocks, which are one of the most popular asset classes on the Betterment platform. Stocks can be further divided into different subclasses such as U.S. stocks, international stocks, and emerging markets. U.S. stocks represent large established companies such as Apple and Microsoft, while international stocks represent companies from developed markets such as the UK and Japan. Emerging markets represent companies from developing countries such as China and India. Bonds are another important asset class on the Betterment platform. Bonds can be divided into different subclasses such as U.S. bonds, international bonds, and high-yield bonds. U.S. bonds represent debt securities issued by the U.S. government and companies, while international bonds represent debt securities issued by foreign governments and companies. High-yield bonds represent debt securities issued by companies with lower credit ratings and offer higher returns to compensate for the higher risk. Alternatives are a third asset class available on the Betterment platform. Alternatives include real estate and commodities and can provide a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Real estate investments can be made through real estate investment trusts or REITs, which allow individuals to invest in property without directly owning physical assets. Commodities such as gold and oil can provide a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Now that we have covered the different asset classes available on the Betterment platform, let's discuss how to allocate your investments across these classes. The key to building a well-diversified portfolio is to allocate your investments based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you are a conservative investor, you may want to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to bonds and alternatives. If you are an aggressive investor, you may want to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to stocks. In conclusion, the Betterment platform offers a range of asset classes to help you build a diversified portfolio. By understanding the different characteristics and risk profiles of each asset class and allocating your investments based on your risk tolerance and investment goals, you can create a portfolio that meets your needs and helps you achieve your financial objectives. Remember to always do your research and consider your own financial situation and goals before making any investment decisions.